Hello, hello, happy new year, happy 2021. Where are we going to where? Where the money resides. Where the money resides. Today I'm gonna show you some new goodies. I'm gonna do an unboxing. If you see a product that you want a video on, let me know. If you see a product that you've used and you like, or you have any type of strong feelings towards, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna show you some products. Lookfantastic UK sent over some products. I'm gonna be unboxing it. I thought it might be nice to show you the products that you can expect on my YouTube channel, on Instagram in the coming period. So we gonna do that. Shout out to Lookfantastic for sending over the products. Shout out to me because I was patient enough to wait to show you on camera. And shout out to you because you're watching this and you're humoring my crazy butt. If you like unboxing videos, please double tap this video, give it a like, let me know you like it. And if you're really smart, you're really loyal, don't just leave a like, leave a comment. Be like, hey girl, happy new year girl, you look good this year girl. And I would just be like thank you. You didn't have to say that. I didn't expect you were gonna say that, but now that you did, like, thank you. I know. Thank you for watching this video. We're gonna do this. Let go. Okay, so this is a Lookfantastic box. I haven't even opened it. That's dedication, y'all. Let's see what's inside. First of all, it's gonna be Camille Rose. Okay, Camille Rose Naturals. Listen, I'm excited. I've tried some of the products already, and I know that they formulate like really nice products. So I'm excited to show more, to try more. If you love Camille Rose Naturals, if you have some of your favorites, let me know in the comments. What I have for now is the coconut water leave-in detangling hair treatment. This leave-in. We have the Curlade green tea and jojoba moisture butter. So I assume like that one is a leave-in. This is like a butter for twisting, I assume. We have the coconut water style setter. Very excited about the coconut water line because it's supposed to be very thin and really hydrating. And then we also have the infamous, the famous, I mean, she should have her own fan page, the Camille Rose Curl Maker. I'm really excited to try this because, listen, I got type 4 hair and I don't just mess with any old like gel, but I used to love the kinky curly, the gel that the kinky curly has. I don't even know why I don't buy it that often. Maybe because I don't do wash and goes that often. But I'm really intrigued to try the curl maker because it's supposed to have like really good ingredients. And I want to know if it's gonna hold my hair. Might not give me eco styler hold, but what type of hold will it give me? And I see everybody talking about this. So if you have type 4 hair and you love this, you swear by this, let me know, like, how do I get it to work? Share your tea, sis. Like, we really want to know. So the first brand that we got is Camille Rose Natural, and then an entire new brand to me. Okay, you might know it, but I don't. Okay, and I'm excited. It's Flora Curl. I have never tried products from Flora Curl, and I'm excited because it's another, I feel it's a UK based brand, and it's another brand that people are really raving about. So I actually have a few more products from them, so I'm gonna show them all. We're gonna start with the cream shampoo. So I have the cream shampoo. It says organic rose and honey cream shampoo, hydrate me, so it's gonna be hydrating. It says it cleanses the curls with a softening and fortifying cream and organic rose, camellia and oat silk. Okay, cool. Then we have the organic rose and honey cream conditioner. So these are from the same line, shampoo conditioner. Next up, we have from the same line organic rose and honey leave-in detangler. As soon as you say that you're a leave-in and you're a detangler, I'm like, alright, we gonna see if you a detangler. So I'm excited to try this. Ooh, okay, so the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in say hydrate me, and then you have the style me line. And the Style Me part is the styling products, which I'm excited about. You have the curl activating lotion. So it says a hibiscus infused lotion with smoothing hibiscus with marshmallow to activate your coils. Okay. Okay, we gonna see. You gonna activate these girls? Come on, activate these girls. Okay, and then the piece de resistance. We have the sweet hibiscus curl defining gel. Okay, so these go together, and it's a plant infused curl gel with marshmallow roots and hibiscus botanicals to define and shape your curls. So I'm excited. I can already see like probably an entire wash day. An entire wash day of Flora and Curl. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments. If you have some strong feelings towards Flora and Curl, and I mean that in a good way, let me know in the comments as well. Listen, y'all, those are the products that I have for now. The Flora and Curl products. Probably it's gonna be a dedicated video because I have the entire line. Camille Rose products. You're definitely gonna see something with a twist out, maybe, because I'm excited about the twisting butters, and then I'm gonna play around with this, and I might come with like a tutorial. Yeah, so if there's anything that you are interested in, like I said, it's gonna be links in the description box. I'm gonna try to do it for like UK, US, and Dutch links. Other than that, if you like it and you like unboxings, let me know, because I have a box of skincare products over there. Drugstore, affordable skincare over there. Let me know if you want to see it. I don't want to bore you with videos you don't want to see. So let me know. If you don't ask for it, I'm probably not going to make it. Unless I like making it so much, I'm probably going to do it anyway. So, I don't know. Just let me know. And yeah. Once again, if you're smart, you're loyal, leave a comment down below. If you're new, please do, you know, follow me here on Instagram or subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I'm trying to get like 10K on Instagram this year, so help us out. Tell a friend. Okay, that's it. I'ma go, you know, like I said, let 2021 be a good year for you, okay? And I pray for you and I wish for you that with everything that's happening in the world, even though there's chaos, that everything that you touch will be blessed, will prosper, okay? Because you know what? Life might be lifing, okay? But you gonna keep youing. Yeah. Okay. Listen, y'all don't appreciate my talents over here, so I'ma go. So yeah, bye. Okay.